We are looking at what is the meaning of this abbreviation or initialism. What does it mean? But first off, how do you say it? If you do have to say it, it's usually used in text messages only, but if you have to say it, this is said as BAF. BAF. Now, what does it mean? Well, BAF stands for Bored as Florence. Bored as Florence, or, you know, that word that you can't say on YouTube, or what you do when you go to bed or in bed with somebody else. Well, bored as that word. That's what it means. And now you know, you do. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. I hope it wasn't too BAF or boring as this video here. Yeah, I suppose maybe it was. Was it? Let me know. I'll see you soon for more.